Refusing a breath test in Texas does not automatically mean that you're guilty of DWI. The consequence for refusal is you're going to get a license suspension from DPS in Austin due to the complicated implied consent law that we have here in Texas. Everybody that's driving in Texas on a driver's license, even if you got that license from one of the 49 other states, has given consent, whether you know it or not, to the government here in Texas that you're going to participate if an officer is investigating you for DWI and asks you to give a specimen of your breath or blood. But you don't have to do it. The consequence for not doing it, though, is that you're going to get an administrative driver's license suspension from DPS. I say, so what? If you're being investigated for DWI, it's a damned if you do, damned if you don't. Officers tell people, hey, you're going to get a license suspension if you don't play ball. What they often don't tell you is you're going to get a license suspension anyway if you fail the test. DPS in Austin is looking at two things. Do you refuse or do you fail? And you're screwed in both scenarios. So don't play ball with them. Don't worry about a potential driver's license suspension down the road. Everybody watching this video that has a driver's license in Texas can get an occupational license if your license is suspended. Hypocritical, right? But it's just about the money. You can stay on the road and stay street legal. What is important, though, is don't give up free evidence to the government when you're being investigated for DWI.